Hi, thank you for joining me for the whip stitch tutorial. This joining method is super easy. It's great if you want your joining to show. If you are looking for an invisible join, look for my invisible C method on my channel. So we will start by aligning our crochet pieces together. You will need your work to face the right way, the right side. And so we will align the stitches together. Cut about double the length of the pieces that you want to join. And we will start by threading the needle into the first stitch and then into the first stitch of the second square. Okay, make sure you are threading the needle into the same stitches and pull the yarn through. Here I'm starting in my corner, it's a chain to corner, but if you have a different crochet piece, just start with the first stitch on both of your pieces. Now we will identify the next stitch, which is this one. So thread the needle into the next stitch of your first square and into the next stitch of the second square, which is this one. So again, make sure to pull enough yarn before and pull the yarn through, so you will have enough yarn to work with. Now let's continue into the next stitch. We are threading the needle into the next stitch and into the next stitch of the second square. Make sure to pull the yarn tight as you go, because it will be difficult later. And then let's continue. Okay, so this is how it looks at the end of the joining. You can see that this stitch is very visible. You can use the same color as your work or make it like this with a different color, so it will be more visible. And this is it. You can find the full photo tutorial and instructions on my blog, Made by Guti. Thank you.